Hi, this is Venkat Ravi, and here this is the daily collection report of fee management. So, where one of our client wants to check the subtotal against each and every student. To achieve that, he couldn't go here and he can't. Once he give a filter, he won't get the student names. You will just get the filter details of subtotal of all students, but he has to know to which student this subtotal belongs to. So to achieve that, the whatever the entries which is available, these entries to be should appear on this entire cell for in all cells, otherwise at least against to this subtotal cell. To achieve that, there is a shortcut in Excel, so where one can go select the column and click on go to special and click on blanks. First of all, we need to find out the blanks columns. Yes, look, no cells were found, there is no blank columns. That means we need to make these cells as blank first. To achieve that, let us do one thing. Here let's put a formula saying that if length of something, this one equal greater than 0, then let's put this value, otherwise let's put some dollar symbol. Later we will remove the dollar symbol. Okay, I am just entering that. Okay, in the same way. Okay, fine. So I am just copying this and copying the entire cell and paste the special values. Right click and paste as special values, pasted here. Now I am removing the dollar sign here. So here removing with empty space, blank space. So what's happened? All blank space has gone. So now this one is not required. Last column I am removing the P column. Now, so if I select, so you need to select the entire cells. Otherwise, you can just select the entire cell and go to Control Z and click on special, click on empty cells. Look, now the empty cells has been, if you notice that whatever the empty cells which are selected here, you just need to already the third is row. If you notice, third row is selected. You just need to put equal to, you need to put in a formula there, just put equal to and press up arrow. So you are assigning the upper row value there, and then once you enter the upper arrow, then you just need to put control enter. Instead of enter, you need to choose control enter. Yes, have you seen? So all the empty cells are appended the values of its upper row. In the same way, you need the details of student name also. So for this also same thing, the cell is not empty. So to make the cell as empty, you need to put the same formula as if I am just blindly I am entering this. If the length of this B2 is greater than 0, then select B2 only. Otherwise, just you can, instead of you can dollar, you can use some other symbol, but later on you need to delete that symbol, so that the cell should not be empty. So to make it empty, we are just copying this and we are pasting on the B column, that's the names. I am just pasting the values alone there, and this last P column is not required now. And in this particular B column, we are removing the dollar symbol with empty space. I am just replacing all. Yes, replaced. Now if you just go Either you can just click on find and select and go to special, otherwise to get this menu you can press Ctrl G. So both are same. Select the blanks, click OK. So now you can notice that, see, so first column, I mean the B3 column is selected already, and all other columns it's a empty blank cells are selected. You just put equal to and one up arrow mark, and instead of enter, press Ctrl enter. That's it. See, so till the B7 the first name is appended, and from 8th to 17th till that row the second value is appended. Same thing you have to do it for the fields which are required for your understanding. So now what I will do here, if I want to check the subtotal of this any student, I can just click on filter and I will choose the subtotal. Here see, I can able to view the subtotal of the students whoever is available here. So if you want the same thing to be done for other fields, or if you want the class section, everything is can be doable. You can just do it and update your Excel and check the details, whatever the details you are looking for. Thank you.